In this video, I will show you 3 features of Google Drive. So let's begin. Number 1. Folder create and file upload. Click on file to create folder in Google Drive. Then click on new. Select folder. Enter the name of the folder. Suppose you upload image to a folder. Open that folder. Click on plus icon. Click on upload. After clicking on upload, you will see the files on your phone. Select your photo or video from there. Number 2. File sharing. Suppose you share a folder or file with someone. Click on 3 dot for that. Click on manage access. Click change. Select anyone with the link. Here you can see the 3 options. If you select view, then only the person you give the link to can see it. If you select the comment, then you can also comment, and if you select editor, then he can edit. I selected view. Number 3. File download and delete. Click on 3 dot to download any file. Scroll down, then click on download. Same process, click on remove. Let me know how you like the video. Hope you will subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.